Woo, woo, woo. Hope everybody's doing good on this nice, fabulous day finally. Where we at today? I am cleaning up my storage as we speak. I'm not even joking. Look at this. I got two transmissions. I have a blown TL motor that's gonna go here. I gotta pick it up over the weekend. And I'm getting rid of them bad boys. As soon as that bad boy come in, I'm getting rid of it. I can't. I'm not harboring no type of parts. Am I? Nope, not doing it. I'm not harboring no parts. I don't give a damn if I got to pay money to get the car redone. I am not harboring or hoarding parts. Bad enough. I'm already going through. You gotta see my tools. I'll never if have anybody have this issue when you have a whole bunch of tools you forgot and you just like stack on top of stack of like this is ridiculous. When I'm not joking, I said okay, one hand. When I said I got freaking sockets, look at this. Look at this. No, it's not that one. I got sockets. I got screwdrivers. I got. Could somebody please help me out? How do you get rid of this stuff? How do you get rid of stuff like that? Yes. So I am redoing. Like I said before, I am cleaning up one side of the store of my storage because the TL is back. That bad boy right there, and it moves very well. Um, it's a J32A4 engine in this car. It moves like a little jet though, and I explained that the other day. It's in here. I wasn't joking when I said I was getting it done. Nope, nope. Let's see if we can find it. It's way down there. Yep. So it's a J. It is a J35A4. Or is it? I'm saying it right. Oh, I'm saying it right. J35A4 engine. So it did get fitted here, and I explained this. Damn, ooh, didn't like that sound on my hood. Um, it moves like a little jet. I just gotta do something, go to the junkyard, get a part, we good to go. I'm all so that side gotta get done. Somehow I gotta do that side. Somehow we go get this car done. And I had a my friend of mine's yesterday. Hold on, give me all 10 seconds, please. Not even. Me and him had a conversation yesterday. I don't know how everybody else feels about it, but we had a conversation about cars. And I'm like, yo, project cars is a lot, especially if you don't have the funds for it. No, what I said, you have to have the money, the time, and the patience. I don't know if I'm wrong or right about it, but that's what that shit takes. Excuse my words, but that's what it takes. Excuse me. And I think that's what it is for me. I've done. I want to put this car back together as quickly as possible. I'm tired of looking at it again for thousands of times. And I was like, I don't know. I said, that's a lot. He said, yeah, you bought the car. I said, yeah, because, you know. But I really thought about it. The more I sit there and say, no, 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 I feel like it goes like, yes, 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 you can do it. You can do it, my friend. We gonna pull this hard. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I might have to pull some strings on this one because like I said before, I do want to get it done out the way. Of course, I have my little Subaru behind the camera of my camera phone that had to get done. A lot of stuff is gonna get worked itself out. which I need to deal with. Um, it's a beautiful day today, and today I just happened to come in because I had some stuff I had to do yesterday. What did I do yesterday? Oh yeah, yeah. So yesterday I had to do my niece's my niece, not nieces. Sound like two. A plural. Will you have extra s's at the end? My niece break yesterday, a brake pad. So I had to change out a brake pad yesterday, and I had to use my jack. And I hate having carrying a whole bunch of stuff in my car, um, because of course everything rattles and shakes and all that good stuff. But being determined of getting things done, I'm on the ball of doing it again. We will get this done out the way this time. Knock on wood, as I always do, and get this stuff out the way because I'm tired of looking at things. I'm tired of like, when you guys have stuff in your house or stuff in your storage, you are tired of looking at it. You want to clean your house. That's what I'm doing. I'm cleaning this damn storage. Getting rid of. Oh, hold on. Got one more thing to show you guys. You can't see me, but you can also hear me. So, a couple months last year, I happened to order this for my TL last year. And I was like, all right, this will be good because I don't want nothing too crazy. All the air intakes is like $250 and up. And I at the point in time I don't have the money to spend like that because I didn't want to spend that much money on a part. To each his own. Knock yourself out. Now if I get the money for it, I'm gonna upgrade. So bought this on eBay last year. Matter of fact, I think it's been about a year. I got it around this time, January, February of last year. I popped this thing in, right? This I had to cut a little hole out of, make a little hole. Oh yeah, it didn't even last. It lasts for a couple months, but it was so cheesy, and they wonder why. Hey, can you give me a rating? Yeah, it sucks. Look at this. Waste of money. So I think I spent like $40 on it because I thought it was gonna be affordable. I lied to myself again. Um, and that's what happens. You waste money on stuff that you try to do the research. Oh yeah, got good reviews on it. Nope. Wasted my damn $40 on it. So I would do like to do some upgrades on the TL, but not right now. I would like to repaint it the same color. I love the color on that car. Um, it has I forgot the name of it, but that stuff will come down the line. Also, get that done out the way because I'm tired of like I want to have my car back being nice again, and nothing wrong to have a nice car, but you also want to have a car that just um represent you, especially if you go to a car show, especially if you go out out and about and you just cruising down somewhere in a highway or 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 wherever. So that being said about this TL transmission been in his car, a new engine in his car. Hmm. Crossing fingers like crazy. Crossing toes. Matter of fact, I might glue my two fingers together and keep them crossed. Supposed to be nice. Actually, today was the last day of being nice because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, I believe, and the next 2 days. I don't know. Connecticut weather is weird. First it's nice, then it's cold, then it's raining. So we'll see what happens with this weather. What else we got going on? But nope, kept you up, keep you update with all my little fun cars. Cause I'm telling you, we about to be on the road again with all of them. So on that note, thank you for watching. Appreciate you watching. Peace.